Welcome to County Connection, where we talk about events, programs, and services offered by Summit County government. I'm your host, Julie Suter. We have a great show lined up for this April episode. We're going to be talking about services for veterans, a new bus route to Park County, our efforts to combat the opioid epidemic, regulations for short-term rentals, and we'll introduce you to our new Summit County Treasurer, County Assessor, and County Library Director. Thanks for joining us. For our first segment of this April episode of County Connection, we're going to be talking about some veteran services and some special events coming up in April. And here to tell us all about it are Lori Williams from the Summit County Community and Senior Center and Janet Wolfson from Summit County Human Services. Welcome, ladies.
Thanks, Julie.
All right, so we have veteran services within our Human Services division at Summit County.
Yes.
And so we are really ramping up the breadth and depth of services that we have in this arena. Is that right, Janet?
That is. Last segment, we met with Dwayne, who was here, and he's the County Veteran Service Officer from Grand County, and he's comes here. And he has brought a mobile veterans counseling unit. So that is one of the main wrap-ups. And we're also getting ready for the second annual town hall event.
Excellent. And so let's talk a little bit about that mobile vet center that provides counseling services. So what all happens within that mobile vet center?
So it comes from Cheyenne, actually, Wyoming. And one of the new things is that they are going to be now situated at the Community and Senior Center. So it'll have better visual access. But the unit itself has a telehealth setup. So when veterans come in, they can actually meet directly telehealth with a psychiatrist.
Okay, great.
So it's really exciting. The gentleman that comes with it, the vehicle does not do the counseling, but he is there to provide other services. So if somebody needs help getting a DD-214, he can help them with that. He can also provide resources for family members, community resources and state resources, which is really great. And then Lori and I recently met with Dwayne, and Dwayne is now going to be down at the Senior Center on the third Tuesday of every month.
Counseling from 9 to 1. So we have a very safe and quiet room for him to counsel people so they can feel comfortable with the information they're getting and that nobody else is listening. So,
okay, great.
Yeah.
And so what are some of the synergies of providing these vet services at the Senior Center?
Well, a lot of the seniors are vets, and so it gives them easy access, and they know coming to the Community and Senior Center it's safe. So,
right, it's a familiar spot. Yeah,
correct.
Great. And so the Colorado Veterans Services Office, did I get the name of that right? Will be at the Community and Senior Center the third Tuesday of every month, pretty much from here on out.
Yes, yeah. It'll be the same contact information. He'll have the same phone number. He'll have the same email. He'll maintain a mailbox up at the Department of Human Services, up at the medical office building on the second floor there. But he is now going to be located down at the Senior Center.
Okay.
And so the first Tuesday will be April 16th.
All right, excellent. And then, so what are some of the common things that we see in terms of services or programs or information that veterans in Summit County are typically looking for?
It's a wide range. Some of them are just looking for help getting their DD-214. We actually have veterans that come to Summit County from all over, from Park County, Lake County, Grand County. Those are the big ones. They need assistance. They need short-term assistance. Dwayne is great. He has several grants that he's working with. So he pulls money from those different grants to help people either with rent, with gas, with groceries. He helps them apply and connect to other state services. And we can talk a little bit more about that when we talk about the town hall coming up.
Yes.
But it's really a wide variety of different services.
Great. And so this is an exciting event. This is coming up April 10th, also at the Community and Senior Center. And so tell us, what is a Veterans Town Hall?
It starts at noon. And I guess I'll do a shout out. Let me make sure I get it right. To the American Legion. It's the Post 175 in Breckenridge, and they are providing a free lunch to veterans that day, which is really nice.
Great.
So it'll kick off with that, and then we have a keynote speaker, Dr. Kelly. She is specializes in veterans suicide prevention. So she's going to be doing a talk on that, which will be really excited. Dwayne, I know, is really excited about it. Do you want to talk about some of the
things that he's going to have? Well, he'll
highlight?
have someone there from VA Benefits, VA Health, American Legion, and then also there is a division of the American Legion out of Breckenridge, so they're also going to be there. Volunteers of America, Colorado Department of Military and Veterans Affairs, Veterans Community Living Centers, Colorado Workforce Center will also be attending. The Northwest Colorado Council of Governments will be attending, and Grand County Veterans Service Office, which is where Dwayne normally works out of, will also be represented. So
all kinds of resources. Yeah. The town hall itself is a combination between networking, getting to meet other resources, other veterans in the community, the lunch, the speakers, so that I guess the town hall event brings all of that together.
So there'll be booths for people, the veterans, to go visit and ask questions and give them resources.
Excellent. And so in addition to just the opportunity of connecting with all these services, I know, Janet, that you've mentioned before how valuable that networking is within the vet community. Can you talk a little bit about that?
You said it. It's real important to them to be able to interact with people that have gone through similar things. It's more of a camaraderie. It's just a great connection and a chance for them to be able to start to share the other things that they do up here that make life meaningful for them.
Fantastic. All right. Well, is there anything else that either of you would like to share about programs and events and services we have coming up this month for veterans?
No, I think that's a big one.
All right.
We're excited about it.
Excellent. All right. And then if people are looking for any details on this information, they can go to our website. Janet, what's the webpage?
SummitCountyCO.gov/veterans.
All right, fantastic. So grab those details if you're looking for more information, and for all you veterans out there, hopefully you'll see Lori and Janet and all these other organizations that provide services to vets on April 10th.
Great. We look forward to seeing you all then.
All right. Stick with us. We're going to take a quick break, but when we come back, we're going to be talking about opioid abuse prevention.